Shai, ever honors to the apostles of James Great Millstone, and shalom to the elect out there pushing this truth in sincerity. Right, this is Ashar from James Vigilant, and just I watch a video with the brother Makulat from James 5 Precept, doing a video on Require Comes video, right? That states concerning prepping vids and firearm, right? In basically I discuss about why it is not necessary for prep, and if you do have a firearm, make sure it legal, right? Make sure it licensed and everything, right? But at the end of the day, these things are not the things that will save us, right? The reason I want to do this video still because when I just came in the camp, right, we usually think that way, right? We usually say, oh, make sure you have a lighter, and make sure you have your running shoes, and them little things there, right? Certain man say them are go make sure them sleep with them running shoes underneath them bed or something, right? But at the end of the day, if the Heavenly Father will, He make you run left that running shoes away this thing come down. So when you look at it, it not really profit for think that you're going to prep and make it true because of your prep, and that would make the Most High seems like you don't have any power, right? For you prep and go through the Heavenly Father judgment when Him say, yo, everybody I go feel it, right? Even His own elect, right? So get the precept. Say verse 9. This I feel back then. Say, for we know in part and we prophesy in part, but when that which is perfect is come, then that which is in part shall be done away. Right, so that's how we usually think, and now it's gone because say, oh, it's a faith in Yahweh Hashem Yahushai we have to carry through this the famine, right? The time of Jacob's struggle overall, right? Where pestilence and Esau try attack we, right? So say the Heavenly Father go carry through. Say, when I was a child, I speak as a child, I understood as a child, I thought as a child. But when I became a man, I put away childish thing, right? Because now we grow firmly in the scriptures and now say the only way to escape is through the Heavenly Father, right? Them thoughts there of prepping are basically when we just come in at the camp, right? When we're young and we don't really know the 100%. So just get some precept for back the point. Say, yo, the Heavenly Father will only escape. Right, this scripture is perfect. It say Isaiah 59 verse 19, so shall they fear the name of the Lord from the west, and His glory from the rising of the sun. When the enemy shall come in like a flood, the Spirit of the Lord shall lift up a standard against him. Right, so this show you perfectly. Say, yo, when the enemy, which is Esau and the other nation, come in as a flood, the Heavenly Father go lift up a standard, right? You see, as the brother Macalat bring out, we wrestle not against flesh and blood, but against principalities, right? So the Heavenly Father, we only escape through this destruction. Right, so I go play a little more of the brother video, or Koyakwam's video.
Two things abundantly care, that prepping stuff, forget about it. And if you're gonna own firearms, licenses, registrations, etc., etc. Okay, so again, Salakia and Shalom.
Right, so with that, I guess all praises to Yahweh Shem Shai. Right, that were announced the apostles of James Great Millstone. Hope this video was edified, and you can visit brother Makolat, which is James 5 precept, and you can view his breakdown as well, and you can view Rakoyakam's video as well, right? James fear the Most High, right? So with that, I want to say shalom.